chapter in the DC film universe is about to begin with James Gunn's next film, which will usher in the third iteration of Superman in the 21st century. As the movie's merchandise begins to appear on our desks, the Superman X Crocs classic clog will be available weeks before the film's premiere. The generation-spanning element becomes even more significant. The S logo attached to the heel strap and the design on the toe are the most obvious examples of the edition's comic franchise reference, but you don't need X-ray vision to see them. Faster Than a Speeding Bullet is prominent among the blue and black collection of vintage Superman cels that work in some of the franchise's most recognizable catchphrases beneath that pattern on the upper. Even though the design has superhuman overtones, a black platform completes the look and makes everyday wear easier to sell. The adult and GS sizes of the Superman X Crocs Classic Clog will be available for purchase on June 26.